Hi, my name is Anna Rodriguez, and I'm at Duke University. K is for Klystron. A klystron is an essential part of a medical linear accelerator. It is one type of device that provides microwave power that the linear accelerator needs to generate radiation for treating cancers. Modern clinical radiation therapy linear accelerators need microwave frequencies that are very high, about 3 billion cycles per second. Klystrons are used in many types of linear accelerators today. A different source of microwave power, a magnetron, is the other type of part that can be used in linear accelerators to generate the power needed to run a linear accelerator.
Hello, my name is Todd Pawlicki, and I'm a medical physicist at the University of California, San Diego. L is for linear accelerator, or LINAC. A LINAC is a type of machine that produces high-energy X-rays, or electron beams, and these machines can be used in radiation therapy. In order to generate the radiation that is useful for radiation therapy, electrons are sped up to almost the speed of light along a straight line. That's why it's called a linear accelerator. The beams that are produced by most linear accelerators are much higher energies than something like you would see in a chest X-ray, 15 to 150 times more energetic. So they can be used to reach cancers deep inside a person's body.
My name is Diana Carver, and I'm at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. M is for mammography. Mammography is X-ray imaging of the breast. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, there are about 40 million mammograms performed each year. Mammography is a clinical imaging procedure that uses a special type of X-ray machine to image breast tissue with the goal of determining if there is cancer or if there are signs of potential cancer present in the breast tissue.
My name is Noora Sunbil at Henry Ford Health Systems. N is for nuclear magnetic resonance. Nuclear magnetic resonance is a process where a nucleus in magnetic field absorbs and re-emits electromagnetic radiation. Surface nuclear magnetic resonance can be used to test the quantity of water contained in an aquifer. Nuclear magnetic resonance, or NMR, is the technology that preceded magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. It was first described and measured in 1938 and laid the foundation for future scientists to create the first whole-body MRI machine in 1977.
My name is Harish Malhotra, and I am at Roswell Park Cancer Institute, Buffalo, New York. O is for oncology. Oncology is the study of cancer. An oncologist is a medical doctor who specializes in cancer care. Sometimes patients undergoing treatment for cancer benefit from multiple branches of oncology, including surgical oncology, radiation oncology, and medical oncology. All oncologists work with a cancer care team that includes several types of healthcare professionals. These professionals can include nurses, social workers, physicists, patient advocates, and radiologists. Many times, professionals from different specialties and subspecialties can come together for oncology tumor boards and chart review to combine their expertise for an individual's patient's care.